Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So I'm filming again in my daughter's nursery. We will see how long this lasts. She's taking a nap, literally 2 feet from me. So if it doesn't work, I will move her to her other nap location and we will power through. So this video, so excited about. I swore I would never fall back down the Disney mystery pin unboxing rabbit hole, and here I am. Call me Alice, because your girl bought some pins. So many pins. Oh my gosh. In my defense, they were all on sale. Got a lot of Disney blind pin boxes from Hot Topic, from Box Lunch. I think even a couple from Amazon. All happened to be on a really good sale. And by really good, I mean like half off kind of thing. So anyways, total, I think I purchased 17 boxes. 17. So we're going to split that into videos. We're not going to do 17 boxes today. That's not going to happen. But we are going to unbox some pins. Now, before we get started, I have provisions, snacks, Sour Patch watermelon, and I have my Olaf water bottle. So we're going to get started. Now, we're going to start off with is actually not a mystery pin, but I found it while shopping for mystery pins. You know how it goes. You get it. But this pin is going to be so very near and dear to my heart, mainly because it is a beloved Disney thing, icon, that is going to be no more. I have a hard time even talking about it because it's literally going to be out of commission before we're able to take my daughter. So she will never get to experience this part of the Disney magic. So I will show you the pin I'm talking about. You will know exactly what I mean. Take it out and show it to you guys. I have a new ring light, by the way. I hope it works. I hope you guys can see the detail, and it's so sweet. You see it? Sorry. I also have a new phone I'm trying to figure out. It is the Disney's Magical Express Departures pin. Okay, now for those of you who don't know, the Disney Magical Express is the specially designated for Disney only bus that takes you from the Orlando airport directly to whatever resort or on-property Disney resort you are staying at. And I am telling you, that is where the magic begins. Getting off of the plane and going straight to where the Disney Magical Express bus station is so much fun. You go up, you get checked in, and there's these rows, and per line tells you which resort you're going to. So you find the line that has the resort that you're going to, you get in line, you get on board the bus. Everyone is so excited to be on the bus because you're there, you made it to Disney, you made it to your vacation. And so there's just such a excitement in the air, and the bus driver is always super nice, super fun, friendly. Welcome, you made it, you're here, you finally made it, how's everybody doing, that kind of thing. And there are TVs that play snippets of old classic Disney cartoons, and in between there's Disney trivia questions, so it's very interactive. It's such a good time. And then once everyone is loaded up, that's going to be loaded up, you go on your way. It is so much fun. And when you come back, they call it the Tragical Express because that's the same bus that will pick you up from your resort to take you back to the airport the day that you're leaving. So even though it's the saddest bus when you leave, it is the happiest bus when you get there. And as most of you who keep up with anything that's Disney, you know, they are decommissioning the Magical Express. I am beyond crushed. I know Uber and Lyft and all that is competitive, and people complained about having to wait and things of that nature. My husband and I never had a problem. Even if we did have to wait, we didn't mind. We were there, we were being picked up and chauffeured, and we weren't having to pay. It was a complimentary service for those staying on property at Disney. So, needless to say, we're very, very sad. Of course, yes, you can Lyft, you can Uber, you can rent a car. it doesn't matter. The magic started the second you boarded the Disney Magical Express. That was like first stepping into what they call the Disney bubble. And those of you who are frequent Disney goers will know exactly what I'm talking about. But anyway, when I came across this pen, I just thought, you know, I need that pen. I need that pen. And it started sparking thoughts in my mind. I'm like, I need to start looking for pens of attractions, Disney attractions that either are no longer there that we were a fan of, or that are in the process of being changed or revamped. For example, Splash Mountain is about to go from the story of Brer Rabbit to Tiana, Princess and the Frog theme. And the Great Movie Ride at Hollywood Studios, that ride is no longer. I loved that ride. So I think I'm going to start keeping an eye out for pins for older attractions or attractions that are no longer, um, you know, at Disney World. I think now the Great Movie Ride is now, what is it? Oh, it's Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad. Haven't been on it yet. I'm sure it's wonderful, but it replaced a ride I really loved. So anyways, sorry, such a long intro, but you guys, Disney Magical Express pin, yes, please. I'm also going to let you know I'm not going to keep all these pins that I unboxed. The ones that I really love, I will keep. Want to make a pin board for my daughter's nursery. I'm hoping one day maybe she'll really be into the pin game when she gets bigger, and she will want to trade in the parks and maybe collect. So this is just kind of a way to get her started. Real quick, I will go over with you. We have so many. Like I said, 17, but we're not doing 17 today. But we're going to do these today. All the fun. 3 of these are Pixar Loungefly. And then the other 3 are, this is the 2021 mystery set, just the Mickey. This was in a pin pack I got on eBay. Not overly a fan of it, but it's okay if I get like maybe Steamboat Willie. This one is the BFF collection. And of course, I'll show you what pins you could possibly get. Of course, Haunted Mansion. I really need to start collecting Haunted Mansion and Up. If I was going to just pick 2 pins or 2 pin themes to collect, that's what it would be. It would be Haunted Mansion and Up. Okay, guys, let's just start with the 2021 mystery pin sets. Let me show you the back. Sorry about the light so bright. So you can see they have some fun characters, but it's not exactly what you would think as far as the characters that they picked. I guess if I had to choose, I would like Steamboat Willie, which is right here. They have Donald. They have one of the 3 Cabreros. They have, can you even see? Oh, that's Mickey. It's Fantasia. Bluto. I don't know. So we'll see. Like I said, this came in an eBay lot thing. I think of like 5 boxes of various pins. You just didn't know which ones you're going to get. So first pin we're getting is, let's see. I'll show you guys first. Okay, so I don't know this guy's name, but I actually know the cartoon really, really well. It's Mickey's Rival. If you have Disney Plus, go to like the older Disney stuff, and this is a cartoon. It's like a 7-minute cartoon, and it's Mickey's Rival. And this is a guy who competes with Mickey for Minnie Mouse's affection and attention. It's actually a pretty funny little cartoon, but this guy is kind of annoying. So won't be keeping that one. If you know this character and love this character, please let me know. I'll be glad to send it to you. Second one, we are getting, I think it's Bluto, I think. So, I mean, not horrible, but you just, this is the particular character set that you don't see a lot of people collecting. But if you do and you want this 2021, please let me know. I'll be glad to get it to you. Put it back up there. Okay, now that we got that box out of the way, let's do one of these Pixar ones. I think these are the ones I got online from Hot Topic. I did go into Hot Topic today when a friend of mine were shopping. Hey, Kristen, if you're watching. And they had a few more, but I only grabbed one. So I'll do that on a different video. But this one is going to be so much fun. It is the Toy Story alien, but he is dressed up in costumes from different characters. So we have him as Mr. Incredible. We have Remy from Ratatouille. We have Woody. We have Wally. We have Russell. And we have Anger. And I will tell you, if I get anger, I'm probably going to send it to you, Kristen. So if you're watching and I get anger, I'm going to hang on to it for you. Okay, so let's see. I don't know if these are just one pen. Might just be one pen. Yeah, just one. Wow. I think I actually have 2 boxes of this particular one. So let's just open it up and see what it is. So you always got to have scissors while you're doing these pen unboxings, because these little bags are straight up like, you know, hefty bags. Oh, it's Remy from Ratatouille. Oh, that's so cute. Not my first pick, but still a really cute pen, especially when it's the alien from Toy Story. He's just adorable. And I love that they put him in these different costumes. So that's really cute. Put that back in there. I think I have one more. Okay, I do. I have one more. Cross your fingers. Like I said, I would definitely take Anger because I would send it to my friend, but I would really love Russell from Up. Yeah, I would love Russell from Up. That would be fun. Let's just hope this is not a duplicate. Remember, guys, I got these on sale, so, you know, it is what it is. And I'm getting, oh, it's not one that I wanted, but it's really cute. It's Mr. Incredible. Now, actually, my husband probably would take this. He probably would put this on something like a bag or a lanyard or something for work. That's really cute. Okay, I'll ask my husband if he wants this one. And if not, then I'll end up letting you guys know and I'll do a giveaway. But sorry, Kristen, I'm going to keep looking for that anger pin for you. Okay, let's see. Let's zip over to, let's do the BFFs collection. So, oh guys, I'm sorry. Did I show you the back? Yeah, I showed you the back. Okay. BFFs. We could get, let's see, Todd and, oh my gosh, I completely had a brain fart. What is the other dog's name in Fox and the Hound? Anyways, guys, I know it. Just, you know, help me out here. Okay, and then Baymax, we have Little Mermaid and Scuttle. We have Lumiere and Cogsworth, Joy and Sadness, Sven and Olaf, Bambi and Thumper, and Timon and Pumbaa. So I would really like, I would love Baymax, but I would really like Olaf and Sven too. I don't know. Let's see. Is this just a 1-pin box? No, it's 2. Oh, cool. Okay, so the first one we are getting. This is so much fun. Oh, Timon and Pumbaa. Still really cute pin though. Detail's really, really good. Oh, he's even got like the little oh, they're sharing a caterpillar. I just saw it. Oh my gosh. That's hilarious. Put that up there. And lastly, I got Baymax. Oh my gosh, I love Baymax. When he says, hello, I'm your healthcare provider. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Yeah, I'll be keeping Baymax. Very, very cute. Yay, I got one I wanted. Sometimes these boxes are like a total bust and you get duplicates or you just don't get anything you really want. And sometimes like box after box will be something you love. So I don't know, we'll see. Okay, what's left, guys? All right, we have 2 boxes left. We have another Pixar Loungefly. This one I'm excited about too. Of course, I'm excited about all of them, but this is Up. I really want the house. I really want the house, but I'll be fine with any of the others. They're very cute. And then Haunted Mansion, near and dear to my heart. I'm so excited about this box. I kind of wish I would have just bought like a lot more, but then you run the risk of getting a duplicate. But I really, really, really love this box. I would love to have the actual Haunted Mansion. Let's see. I would love Madame Leota in the middle. Maybe the tombstones. I don't know. Cross your fingers. Let's see what I'm getting. Okay. Is it 1 pin? Oh, it's 2. Wow, these are big pins. These are big. They're heavy too. I will say that Disney has picked up their quality as far as pins go. They've gotten heavier, sturdier, just prettier detailed. Okay, so I'm getting the bride. She's okay, but this particular bride to me does not look like either one from Disney World or Disneyland. It's cool. It's got the wallpaper in the background because Disneyland's differs slightly from Disney World, but not a fan. It does glow in the dark. If you're collecting these particular ones and you were missing the bride or needed her, please let me know. I'll get it to you. One more. Come on, Haunted Mansion. Oh, no. It's just one of the, it looks like the Gravedigger ghost. Darn it. Oh, I was so excited. Ah. Oh well. You gotta try. You gotta give it a shot. Okay, guys. Last box. Oh my gosh. Last box. What? This is the Up Pixar. They're so cute. They're balloons. So you could get Ellie, Kevin, Doug, Russell, Carl, or the house. And I think there's probably only one pin in here. I feel like these smaller Loungefly boxes are just one pin. Yeah, just one. Let's see. Does it feel like a balloon? Yes, it feels like a balloon. So it's not the house. That's okay. Let's see. Who would I want? My top pick would probably be Russell and then maybe Doug. Let's see. I am getting, I'll show you guys first. Who is it? Oh, it's Carl. I'll still keep Carl. I'll keep Carl because I do collect Up stuff and it would be kind of cute to have an Up collection of pins, especially if Briar ends up really being into Up. Aw, well, that's not too bad, guys. I mean, not like the greatest pin unboxing that I've done, where they were just like boom, 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 one after another awesome pins, but still a lot of fun. So anyways, I think that's all for today. Like I said, I have plenty more boxes, so don't worry. I will definitely be doing another video sometime soon. But to kind of just recap, we have our Disney Magical Express pin, which I'm going to keep. We got Baymax that I'm going to keep. Not going to keep Pluto. I'm not going to keep the Gravedigger guy from Haunted Mansion. I don't know, maybe. That's a maybe. I am going to keep Carl. Let's see. Separating them out, guys. The ones I'm keeping, the ones I'm not keeping. I'm not going to keep this guy from the Mickey's Rival cartoon. But if you know it and you love it, let me know. The bride from Haunted Mansion, technically it's like would go with the collection, but I'm just not a fan. She doesn't look like the bride in the park or really even from the attraction. I'm not going to keep the BFFs, but if you are a Timon and Pumbaa fan, let me know. And then last two, I will probably give away Remy. He's really cute. So if you collect Ratatouille, and I'm going to ask my husband if he would like the Mr. Incredibles before I offer to give him away. So not bad. Got a few keeps, got a few passer-ons. Not horrible. Put those up there. I guess that's all for this particular unboxing. But like I said, guys, don't fear. I have so many other boxes of pins to unbox. So I will be filming again shortly, maybe in a few days, give or take. And we'll see what's in those other boxes. That's going to be so much fun. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Have a magical day. Bye.